in Ticino, Switzerland. It's 34 degrees out, just hit 9 a.m. We drove all night down to get here, and it's freaking gorgeous out. Look at this spot. In the summertime, it's completely packed, and no one is here right now. There's this awesome bridge right back here. Courtney's coming up to get her water. But it's so nice today. And we'll see how it goes. I brought my wetsuit, and I might jump in, because this is a super cool spot for jumping off that bridge, and surrounding spots there's rocks, and it's a good place to be.
Take off.
So I crashed the drone pretty bad. I broke all 4 blades are broken. One of them didn't even come back, and the gimbal is also broken, so it is no longer usable until I get that fixed, if it can be fixed. Scratched the top sensor, and it almost landed in the water. It was like 5 feet from the water, so luckily that didn't go in, but gotta see what I can do to fix this thing. Hopefully I don't have to buy a new one. I don't even know what we're gonna do now. Look up drone instructions to see if that can be repaired in the car, or if I have to go to the store and get a repair done. So don't crash your drone. I hit that telephone wire pole and landed right there, right next to the water. Very lucky. Trying to get a cool shot of this bridge from the other side. Make sure you check out your sides before you fly over there. Alright, so we dropped the drone back off at the car. It's warming up, 39 degrees out. Got the wetsuit and stuff, so gonna change and take out the GoPro and jump off from here. Gonna head down to the bottom though first and check it out, see how to get out of here, because the rocks are slippery and I don't want to get stuck in the water. It's cold. Courtney's out here with the blanket and staying warm. She's still got her cast on, or she'd be jumping too. She also needs a wetsuit though. So just a few items and then she could be right there.
Getting all of his supplies out so he can jump off the high point into this freezing ass water.
Oh, the wind's picking up too, so that's always a good time.
I have a blankie ready for the entertainment.
The temperature's dropped back down to 34 degrees. Right there. You see it? It's freaking cold. Mm-hmm. Oh, not there. There we go.
Nice and chilly.
Well, the sun feels good. Nice no one's here to stare.
I am.
Oh. Well, that's cool.
I should play that My Pony song.
Oh.
I'm just cold watching you.
Yeah? So I'm gonna have to jump into the water before going up there to just get the suit wet, because the suits start working once they're wet. They protect you with like a little layer. So don't want to just jump straight in and freak my body out. Gotta get that warmth going. So putting all this stuff on, and I'll hop in back there. And then I'll go up top and jump from up there. That's higher than the cliff in Bari.
Yeah.
It's probably the highest I've ever jumped from.
It's pretty high.
I hit the rock
At least what?
with my phone.
How high? 50 feet?
I don't know. We can Google it later. Put that in there.
Right. This is a nice little show. We're about to go wow wow.
This is for more of you adventurous YouTubers out there. There's other things to do here. Like check out the city. the beautiful stonework that they did building the walls and the houses. This is also most of the time summertime people do this.
We did not see a video of anybody doing it in the winter.
No, I'm sad that there's no snow because that would have just added to this. But that's fine. Cool.
So this is the first jump just to get wet and used to the water.
It's working.
Is it cold?
I can feel the water. It's coming into the suit.
Yeah, how does it feel?
It's not too bad. Could be worse. I could be freezing. So I'm in the water. It is 39 degrees out. No, 34, right?
Yeah, 34.
So, whew. It's gonna be kind of fun to jump. No one's here, which is super cool.
So this is where he's gonna have to swim back to.
Yeah, I'll be fine swimming once I get all this stuff wet. So I'm gonna take off the beanie and dunk it. And see, ooh, it's on the back now. It's gonna be so cold. But here we go. That's chilly. That'll wake you up in the morning.
He hasn't slept in 24 hours. This is how he wakes up.
Oh. Whew. Maybe I should just jump from right here. No? Okay. We're going all the way up. I'm gonna jump off the bridge. We got some people.
That was so high. Come on, little friend. He doesn't know if he wants to go across the water. Come on. Hi, handsome. How's your swim?
That was perfect. Nice weather out today.
How cold is it?
It was very chilly, but a little travel tip is if you don't want that many people in your swimming hole, come in the wintertime.
Because nobody was there.
Nobody's here. I mean, now there's people, but they're all wearing coats and stuff, so it must be like an Alaska travel tip. Specifically for Alaskans.
Because everyone has coats and jackets and scarves up there.
But happy camper. So, good day.
All of his gear.
Alright, you ready to get out of here? Just gotta put that stuff away. And just like that, it got crowded. So also come before 10. Heading up to the car. I'm not that cold. I thought it'd be much colder, honestly. It was freaking cold, but look at these cats. Hey. That one's getting it up there. Scratching post. So we're back in the car. We're about to head up to Lauterbrunen. I'm probably saying it wrong, but it's a super cool little town with a massive waterfall. But before we go, Courtney's gonna want to take one photo, so we're gonna stop there and make sure she gets the shot for the gram. Alright, Courtney's turn. She's getting in the water with her cast. No, she's not getting in her cast. She's going out here, stand out there, take a photo with that background. See how it turns out. There she goes. Get the spot. With the broken cast and all. Alright, wardrobe change, blue socks. Don't know which one's gonna make the Instagram, but one of them will. We'll see, we'll see. Currently shooting with the iPhone 10 XR. Getting some good quality here. All done, heading to the car. Gonna head out to Lauterbrunen and check out that. Maybe go to Grindelwald. Don't know where we're staying tonight, but we'll figure that out later. Find a place to stay. Has Wi-Fi, all the good stuff, breakfast. And yeah. Alright, just made it to Lauterbrunen. We're gonna get some hot chocolate, and then after that, go check out the waterfall, which you can see is right up, right there. Woo! So the temperature change between this morning, it's like went from 34 degrees up to 50 degrees, and it's t-shirt weather. It's so nice now. We're gonna sit outside. Here's your chocolate milk. Chucky Moo Moo juice. Well, except for it's almond. It's almond in your brownie. Is everything right in the world? Yeah.
All the chocolate.
Chocolate brownie, chocolate milk, the hot kind. Happy campers. I mean, I'm sitting here. I see that right from our table. So all of that video footage is gone. I don't know where it went, and it's too late to go back and refilm it because, you know, we're gone. But normally what I do is I film everything and I throw it up on my hard drive, and then when I get free time, I do the editing because I'm in school and I work full time. I don't know what happened to this stuff, but it's gone. So lesson learned, I'm gonna check when I upload the videos off of the devices that it is actually on the hard drive before I clear it out, because that was months ago. With everything with the COVID pandemic that's been going on, I just started doing more school. And now that we're getting closer back to the borders opening back up, I thought I'd edit through my videos and get ready to get back out there and make more content. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that like button and subscribe if you would. It would really help me out. And if you have any comments, throw them in the comment section. I love hearing back from you guys. And other than that, we'll catch you on the next adventure.